When you look at Mars from afar, it seems impossible to imagine that life ever existed in this lonely, reddish, dust-covered place. All around are dry mountains, vast craters, and a rain of silence. But recent research is completely changing the way we think about it. NASA's Perseverance rover has recently discovered some elements in rocks at a place on Mars called Bright Angel that have astonished scientists. Iron, phosphate, and organic compounds have been found there. These two chemicals are usually associated with microbial or biological activity on Earth. And this is where a new question arises. Did life really exist on Mars at some point? Scientists say that these elements prove that there was once water on Mars, and wherever there is water, the possibility of life arises. Perhaps at that time, Mars's environment was not as harsh as it is today. There, rivers used to flow, there were lakes, and perhaps even seas. If that was the case, then there must have been a food chain. In other words, the existence of small microbial life forms or tiny creatures, much like plants, is very likely. However, all of this happened millions of years ago, when humans did not even exist. Just as we find fossils of dinosaurs or ancient creatures millions of years old on Earth today, in the same way, traces of unknown life might be hidden beneath the surface of Mars. But here's the problem. The rovers can only operate on the surface of Mars. They do not have the ability to dig deep pits and go underground. If they could go beneath the surface, perhaps we would have known what Mars was like in the past and whether there truly was ever a trace of life there. This is precisely why Elon Musk and other researchers are now dreaming of establishing human settlements on Mars, because only humans can conduct the kind of exploration that is beyond the limits of robots. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll uncover evidence from beneath the surface of Mars that will change history itself and prove that we are not alone in the universe.